So we were doing science, pollution and conservation question answers, long question answer, question number 5. Question says, write a short note on the 3 R's of waste management. So first R of waste management is reduce. Yes. So let's write about reduce. Reducing the reducing the I think you all have written that heading reduce and put a dash already with black pen. Okay, now write with blue pen. Reducing the number of things reducing the number of things we use and waste. Reducing the number of things we use and waste means 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 using means using fewer 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 natural resources fewer natural resources. Good morning. Those who have joined just now, open science last answer number 5. First heading we are doing reduce. Put dash and write reducing the number of things we use. Reducing the number of things we use and waste means using fewer fewer natural resources fewer natural resources and less energy and less energy. Full stop. Make a shopping list. Make a shopping list. Make a shopping list. You can open page number 118. Open page number 118 and see under the heading reduce. If any spelling doubt is there, you can check from there. Make a shopping list. Page 118 under the heading reduce. Make a shopping list and buy and use only what you need. Make a shopping list and buy and use only what you need. The paragraph which is written under the heading reduce that you have to write. I am repeating. Reducing the number of things we use and waste means using fewer natural resources and less energy. Make a shopping list and buy and use only what you need. Okay? Now, second heading reuse. Write with black pen, reuse and put the dash. Put heading reuse, put the dash. Again start writing what is written there. Finding new uses. Finding new uses finding new uses for things, finding new uses for things that would that would normally be thrown away. Thrown, thrown away. That would normally be thrown away. That would normally be thrown away is reusing. Is reusing. Full stop. Do not throw used jam bottles. Do not throw used jam bottles and plastic jars. Do not throw used jam bottles and plastic jars. Full stop. Them, reuse them to keep things, reuse them to keep things or or use them as pots for small plants or use them as pots for small plants. Done? Okay. Third heading, recycle. Write with black pen and put the dash. Recycle. Making new things, making new things out of used, making new things out of used things, making new things out of used things is recycling, is recycling. Full stop. Making new items, making new items. Keep checking the spellings from the book, children. Making new items from recycled ones. Making new items from recycled ones also takes also takes less energy, also takes less energy and fewer resources and fewer resources than than making products, less energy and fewer resources than making products from brand new materials, from brand new materials. full stop. Give away, give away used paper, give away used paper and old clothes. Give away used paper and old clothes to be recycled. To be recycled. Give away used paper and old clothes to be recycled. Done? I'm repeating the whole answer. Kindly check. First is reduce. Reducing the number of things we use and waste means using fewer natural resources and less energy. Make a shopping list and buy and use only what you need. This is reduce. Then reusing. Finding new things, new uses for things that would normally be thrown away is reusing. Do not throw used jam bottles and plastic jars. Reuse them to keep things or use them as pots for plants. Then recycle. Making new things out of used things is recycling. Making new items from the recycled ones also takes less energy and fewer resources than making products from brand new materials. Give away used paper and old clothes to be recycled. Done? All exercises also we have done. That means science syllabus is completed. Yes. Acha, yesterday I gave you the timetable, the scheme. Is that clear to everybody? Your minor exams like GK, moral. Okay. These exams will be on Google Form as we did in half yearly also. One by one, questions later. First, listen. GK moral, GK moral will be on Google Form as you did in the half yearlies. Rest like English, maths, Hindi, science, that will also be same as you did in half yearlies. You will be getting 10 minutes before the question paper, yes. And you have to write the answers, click the photograph, make the PDF, write the name on the PDF, roll number, class section, and yes, and send it to me personally. Okay? In the same manner, you remember how you made on every page you have to write your name, section, roll number. You remember that? Don't forget. A4 size paper. On every paper on top, you have to write name, class, section, roll number plus page number. Page number 1, page number 2, page number 3. Because sometimes when printout is taken out in the school, some of the pages are lost. Then you will be at loss. Your numbers will be reduced. So when there will be name and page number, then it will be easy for me to understand that this page belongs to this child. Okay, so name, class, section, roll number, and page number is very important. Please do not forget to put the page numbers because these are final exams, very important exams. Now ask your queries. Don't worry about that child. First, worry about your exams. School will open, how they will open, when they will open, will they call you without vaccine, after vaccine? That is later thing. First, right now, your focus should be on your exams. Anything related to exam you want to ask? Anything related to timetable? Anything which is not clear? Timings are clear. Read the timings also. Make sure your fees is paid and all your subjects are well prepared. That's why I've given you scheme so early. 1 month before I've given, more than 1 month. Full February is there and 7 days of January. From 1st March, basically, your written exams are starting. So please start preparing your syllabus. Syllabus also you all have now. Any doubt in the syllabus? Socials we have completed, science we have completed. Maths also we have completed. Three subjects we have already finished the syllabus. English language and literature is left. That also we are going to finish fast. All right. Anything else? Yes. Yes, ask. Who is asking? Yes, Shirish, what happened? Yes, Vidhi, you ask. Monday, if there will be class, I will inform you. If there will not be class, then also you will be informed. Okay? If by chance there are classes, वैसे तो there will not be classes. I suppose if by chance there are classes, then recording is already there. You can, if you miss the class, you go home and see the recording. Okay? On YouTube. Yes. High Court. State High Court. Highest court in the state High Court. Okay? All right, then we are finishing the class here.